Welcome to Alcohello. My name is Think Twice Mike, and I'm going to teach you how to make a spiked blackberry lemonade. I'm going to make it with two funky style rums. You can make it with rum, vodka, tequila, whatever it may be. But I'm going to start out with 2 blackberries. We're going to go ahead and give those a quick press, muddle them on down. You don't need to try too hard. Blackberries are pretty easy. The next thing you'll want to use is a sweetener. I'm going to use Orgeat. You can use simple syrup or agave. It doesn't really matter. Roughly a ½ an ounce is what you're looking for, just to sweeten the cocktail up a bit. This is a homemade Orgeat. I made it with almond milk, sugar, and a little orange flower water, just so you know what it is. But you can also, like I said, put simple sugar into this drink. So now we're going to use a 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Oh yeah. Perfect. Half a lemon, 3/4 of an ounce. That's what I like to see. So then we're just gonna throw a couple dashes of bitters in there because I like bitters. You don't really have to use this, non-essential in this one, but I am making a funky style Tiki drink where you might make more of a light, refreshing blackberry lemonade. So I'm gonna go ahead and use 1 ounce of this Rhum Agricole. This is a aged Rhum Agricole. And then I'm going to use a Jamaican Pot Still Rum, Smith & Cross. This is one of my favorite Jamaican Pot Still Rums. Got a lot of funk to it. And so we'll do 1 ounce of that. But like I said, you can use any spirit of your choosing. 2 ounces in this cocktail will do you just fine. So now that we got all that up in there, okay, we'll take some of this crushed ice and we will shake the drink. Yeah. And you kind of can whip shake it, give it a good shake. You're gonna want to give it a double strain with those blackberries in there because there are a lot of seeds and stuff, but that's what it's going to look like in the glass. And then we'll take this over here and we will top that up with the crushed ice. See how it goes. And just to finish it off, we'll just add a little bit of soda water, and this should do you in very nicely for a nice blackberry lemonade. And we'll garnish with a lemon and a blackberry. Okay, we're gonna give it a taste. Got my bamboo straw here, turtle friendly of course. Oh yeah, blackberry, lemon. I got a real funky taste coming through with the 2 good rums and the Orgeat. But like I said, you can make this a light, refreshing drink by using your own ingredients, whatever spirit of your choosing. A sweetener, blackberries and lemon, a little bit of soda water. Should be perfect for you. This is a really good drink. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching Alcohello. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time.